Machine owners today have a wide variety of work tools available. It seems like any task, no matter how infrequently it's performed, can be easier with a specialized work tool. That flexibility provides the ability to do work faster and better. Yet it also means added responsibilities for the safety of everyone at the workplace. Just as with any machine, that responsibility begins by reading and understanding all applicable operation and maintenance manuals, OMM. There's an OMM for every Caterpillar machine, of course, and some work tools have their own. Of particular importance is the portion of the machine manual that deals with attachments and work tools. Once familiar with the respective OMMs, the operator must know what the work tool is supposed to do. What are the limitations, particularly lift restrictions of the work tool? And finally, how to use the work tool. The OMM will provide the proper procedure for a pre-shift walk-around and inspection of the work tool. Completing this properly is essential not only for safety, it also helps ensure maximum service life of the work tool. It's critical that you use only work tools that have been approved by Caterpillar for use on the machine. Before operating, make sure that all people on the work site are clear of the machine and work tool. And when moving, keep the work tool low to the ground. One of the most commonly used work tools is a bucket, so let's look at the basics of attaching and uncoupling a bucket to a hydraulic excavator. The actual procedure can vary according to the linkage system used. Before attaching the bucket, position the empty bucket on a level surface. Once the bucket is locked on, perform the following drop and drag test. Put the bucket flat on the ground. Apply pressure to the bucket against the ground and at the same time uncurl the bucket away from the machine. Drag the bucket backward away from the machine. If it stays on, it's locked. To uncouple a bucket, place the bucket on level ground with no load. Extend the stick and bucket cylinders until the bucket is fully curled under the stick. Disengage the bucket by retracting the bucket cylinder. There's also a drop and drag test for loader buckets. Push the tilt lever to tilt the bucket downward. Push the tilt lever forward to put down pressure on the bucket. Back up the machine to ensure there is no movement between the bucket and the coupler. Caterpillar work tools are designed to provide you the maximum production possible. Using the proper tool and following every safety recommendation are your keys to achieving that production level.